Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello to everyone. Welcome to Economics for Islamic Finance, IE 5033, Action-Based and Collaborative Learning. For the first time, online learners and also face-to-face learners of this course will be using an online learning platform together to learn, communicate, collaborate on your project assignments. The project that is assigned to you is an integral part of the action-based and collaborative learning component in this course. I will explain how the platform works and the project details and so on. Step 1. You need to click to this URL as described here. Once you're already inside the Open Learning platform, it will bring you to this page. As a step 2, you need to sign up. Once you have signed up, it will bring you to this page, whereby as a step 3, you need to create your account. You need to provide your full name here and your email address here. For your information, you only need to use InSaf email address. Then you create my account here. Once you have created your Open Learning account, you will receive an email from Open Learning to verify your account. Once you have verified your account, you may log in anytime, anywhere. Step 5, you then need to visit your course URL as described here. Once you're already inside the course URL, you can join the course. In order for you to join the course, you need to activate the activation code by typing Majda September 2017 inside this box. Then you join the course. It will bring to this page. Step 7, you're already in. Let's familiarize with this platform navigation. Once you have logged in to InSaf Open Learning platform, you will see your home page, something like this. Home page is a page that the learners can read the welcoming message. This is to make the learners feel welcome in this online project environment. So we mentioned about the course information here. We introduce the course and the activity as part of the syllabus. We inform the learners of the expectancy of the course, whereby stating the learning outcomes and also the skills that to be achieved by end of the learning experience. For example, critical thinking, collaborative learning, problem solving, and reflections on your learning experiences. We also mentioned the timeline of the projects. Please take note, and the grading scheme. Learners are required to participate in the ice-breaking activity as mentioned here. Introduce yourself to your course mates. Tell us more about yourself, such as your nickname, where do you come from, your interests, what do you know about Islamic economics, what you hope to learn and achieve at the end of the industry solving problem visit projects. Share your story, like your friends' posts, comment, and interact with each other. You can also include an image that represents or symbolizes what you have done in the commenting section below at the bottom of this page by attaching your image. Then we go to the announcement page. This is a page for the learners to get the updates from your lecturer from time to time. Then we go to the Getting Started page. You click here you can see 3 thumbnails: meeting your lecturer, updating your profile, and making the learners way through the project. We click one by one: meeting your lecturer. Learners to get to know the lecturer by reading this page, and you be able to view as well a project-based learning video for your further information. You can use this comment section to give your comment or any feedbacks with regards to the project or with regards to your lecturer information. Then we go back to the getting started for you be able to open the second thumbnail, whereby you need to update your own profile. We have described the instruction here. This is where to get to know you and your background. You need to fill up your profile page and upload your profile picture and complete the required information as mentioned here. There are some examples for you to follow as well. In order for you to go to the third thumbnail, you can go back to the getting started here, or you can click to this arrow down here, making your way through the project. So this is a platform for the learners to get help, as well as to provide technical help, especially for learners who are new to the online learning environment. So you need to read up the guidelines and the instructions as written down here. And you need to appoint the team leader of your own group. So we mentioned here the team leader responsibilities. For example, you need to work with leadership skill on development of team charter, goals, and team expectations. You need to negotiate with your leadership skill to gain high-level commitment for necessary your team resources. And you need to encourage fair play with your team rules and ensures all team members are held accountable for their actions, and so forth. You can read up by your own. And you can also give your comments and feedback in this comment section. So we go to the project description page, the most important page. So you are given 3 projects, project 1, project 2, project 3. Students will be assigned in each group for each project. We open one of the project just to show to you the example. So this is a question for the project 1, and this is the instruction how to do for your project 1. We also mentioned about the methodology or the research tools where relevant for you to use in your research. For example, interviews, surveys, and etc. You're required to present your findings and recommendations as well as evidence of the research tools used in your final report. Learners to work with your team members to complete the project and provide constructive feedback on your friends' opinions as well. So we go back to the project description page. You can open another project, project 2 and project 3 on your own. So we go to the group page. Here you have been sorted accordingly to your group. However, the group has not been created yet because the registration of this course is still open until 10th of September. So basically, assigning of groups will be able to finalize somewhere in September 12th. With your team members, you will be working together to complete your projects throughout the semester. This is a group forum. Use this group page or forum to discuss or share materials with your team members. Only team members will be able to view and reply to your post. You may also create your group portfolios for keeping and showing or presenting your work by designing and creating your own professional online portfolios by setting up your own website or social media site, for example, Facebook page, YouTube channel, and so forth. Once you have set up your online site, share the link in the forum provided here. Then we go to the intergroup discussion forum page. You click here. This page is to be utilized as for the intergroup discussion regarding the project. You can discuss your work here with other groups as well to get different perspectives, context, or new ideas in completing your projects. You can share any references, videos, report, or any other resources relevant. You may use your online portfolios as well for discussing and showing or presenting your work. Basically, this section or this page is to encourage and to provide higher opportunities for all of you, interaction and collaboration in larger or wider learning community. Then we go to the submission page. You click here. This is where you need to submit your findings. The learners are required to submit your complete report to be showcased on the platform for the class. Then we go to the project presentation. You click here. This is where the learners are required to present your work in a form of video presentation and upload your video to this page. Basically, it is your show time. And finally, we go to the last page. This is the reflection survey page. All of you are required to complete the reflection survey by clicking here and submit within the time frame as mentioned here. The objective of this reflection survey is to obtain qualitative and quantitative feedbacks from the learners for continuous improvements. So this is the end of navigating this platform. I hope that you'll be able to explore by yourself on your own. All the best and enjoy your learning. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.